Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you turn on an MSI monitor. So here are a few fixes for your power input select and no display. Step 1. Connect the power cable. Plug the monitor's power adapter or power cable into the monitor. Connect the other end to a working wall outlet or surge protector. Step 2. Connect the monitor to your device. Use an HDMI display port or USB-C cable depending on your model. Connect the cable between the monitor and your PC, laptop or gaming console. Step 3. Locate the power button. Most MSI monitors have a power button or joystick controller on the back right side or underneath the lower bezel. Some models use a navigation joystick that also functions as the power button. Step 4. Turn on the monitor. Press the power button once. The power LED should light up and the MSI logo may appear on the screen. Step 5. Select the correct input source. If the screen remains blank, press the monitor's menu button or the joystick. Open the input source menu and select the port you are using like HDMI, DisplayPort, etc. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comments and also do hit the subscribe button.